say it, but me not beat it. Okay.
Never treat me like before. And when I'm calling you ain't picking up the phone. You used to love me, now I'm feeling like you don't. Oh baby, tell me why the fuck I'm doing.
Hey sis squad, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Athie Kaluki, back with another banger video. In case you're new here, hi, I'm Athie, your home girl, and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I post a video, and like this video, share to your friends, family, and your side. But yeah, today's video is all about unboxing and my playlist. Okay, not my, actually it's not my, it was my playlist, but I still listen to it once a while. Yeah, because it's kind of TBT, and I would love to share it with you and you guys enjoy it as well. Yeah, so I'll first start with unboxing. Yay! And I won't unbox until you guys subscribe. Nakungoja. I am waiting for you. Subscribe. Asante. Yeah, so let's start with unboxing. Yeah, I can't wait to see how it looks. Kwanza on me. I'm taking pictures with it and all that, because I wanted to start doing makeup tutorials, and it was hard with the natural light kasababu where we stay, the light, okay, it's good, but it's not that perfect. Yeah, so I had to be helped by this ring light. Yeah, so let's start unboxing it. So guys, I forgot to tell you where I got this from. So I got it from Killimall, and it is 10.2 inch ring lights, and I got it at 2,666. Yeah, I had I don't know, they're called what, like a promo, yeah, for 24 shillings. Yeah, so it came in a sale, and then it came out as 2,666, including the delivery fee. Okay, I mean it's stupid actually, but anyway, yeah, so these are the details over here. Yeah. Yeah, so we are going right to open it. Nilikuwa nimeanza kuifungua, and then I figure out I should do it on the video. Okay, so napenda hizi vitu. But yeah, so this is actually it. So guys, these ring lights are very expensive, especially if you really need those big ring lights. They're around 14,000 to get a 26 inch. But for the meantime, you can get yourself this small one with it, so it can really fit my face. Yeah, so can't wait to try it. And so it also has a handle, a phone handler, and yeah, so this is, what are this? So here this like power off and on button to reduce the lights. This is a minus, and this one is to change the lights, I guess, and then to add the lights. We are going to try it on. Actually, let me go bring the sockets up karibu. Yeah, so let's try it out with the lights on, when it's on the whatever, the power. If I get the link as in the direct link of this thing where I got it, I'll put it in the description. So in case you like it, you'll just go there. This video is not promoted by there. Let me put it. Yeah, so I've put it, but let's put it on. Woo! You can see how bright it is. But let me reduce. Yeah, so that's the minimum. Whoo, guys, can't really wait. And let me show you how which colors it has. I think this one is perfect for me. What do you think? And this one is another one, but you need minimum lighting yake. Let me add it. Ooh. Oh, this is the maxi. What do you think, guys? Hey, hadi lashes zangu zimetoka. Yeah, so guys, this is what do you think about this thing? And I don't think inafanya bila power kwa sababu, let me switch it off alafu tuone if it will work kwa sababu pia msijui. You see, if I switch it off, it inaenda off, so you know inconvenience yake, but who cares? Hey, as long as team ipoteke PLC ziko. Yeah, so that's it. I'm going to set it up. I'm going to use it to my playlist video. So let's get into the playlist video. I hope you guys like this, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Don't want nobody but you my baby, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Boy, got me stupid. Okay. You're so amazing. I'm so happy every time I see you, baby. Ooh, I just can't get enough for your loving. No, 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 no. Can't get enough for your loving. Boy, got me stupid. I see saloon, delirious, ridiculous. I'm loving every minute. Ooh, what you doing make me feel this way, hey, hey. Baby, 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 I love you. Love you, love you, it's true. So take my heart, yeah, you got it. My soul, yeah, you got it. Never leave you, yeah, it's all I do. Baby, 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 I love you. Love you, love you, so cool. So take my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. So take my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. He loves me and I love him. Would do anything for him. But sometimes I don't trust him. That's how it goes with my boyfriend, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo! So I'm singing this song for him, baby. If you love me, I wouldn't lie. If you love me, would have made me cry. If you really love me, you would try. Give you all that you ask, but you're not satisfied. Love me, I wouldn't cheat. Me, no other girl but me. If you really love me, you would be very something. Oh, you say I love you, boy, I know. But who else you're loving? I could be wrong, but I don't think so. No, no, I know you. You breathe late night phone calls when I'm sleeping, and you don't answer. Hey, that's cheating, y'all. Love me, I wouldn't lie. If you love me, would have made me cry. If you really love me, you would try. If you're all that you ask, if you're not satisfied. Hey, try the next. Nothing can get me down. No way, no way, no, not today, no. Okay, okay, nothing can get me down. No way, no way, no, not today, no. Okay, okay, nothing can get me down. No way, no way, no, not today. No way. No way. With my trouble, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye. Let's get it close to you, Athie. Anyway. Bye bye bye. Bye 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 bye. 2020 bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Everybody sing along. Now step away.
Some point in time, I just have to be a man, you know what I mean? Face up to emotions.
Really check the woman.
I always confuse this word by the way.
I'm gonna take a friend, the man laugh. Or the man say whip or whatever. At the end of the day, you're the only one who's gonna be lonely, understand?
Cause you didn't need the lights when it's
burning low.
only need
The sun when it
oh,
starts to snow.
only know you love her when you let her go.
Only know you've been high.
When you're feeling low, only miss the
When you're missing home.
only know you love her when you let her go. Eh,
And you let her go.
oh.
Staring at an empty glass.
Hoping one day
The dream lasts. The dreams come slow.
but move so fast. Okay, Nico.
See how when you close your eyes. Baby, one day you'll understand why. Everything you touch
Surely dies. Eh. Cause you only need the lights when it's burning low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Eh.
only know you've been high.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Summer love
Once the sun
goes down. Summer love is always gonna be around. Summer love,
goes gonna be around.
summer love,
It's gonna be so like
day and night. Summer love is always gonna be around. Summer love,
always gonna be around. Summer love's always gonna be.
crush work.
I'm here writing pages for my dumb luck. I haven't felt this way in ages, but
I got
got a reason to enjoy this
I
season.
gonna and it's Sunday.
Once the sun
Goes down. Summer love is always gonna be around. Summer love is always gonna be around. Summer love is always gonna be.
I write all day down. Because
Summer love is always gonna be around. Summer love,
always gonna be around. Summer
hey.
always gonna be love crazy. I don't love you enough, and that I've lost my touch. Need some love, baby. Love you, baby. Baby, I love you, my darling.
Ooh, I love you, baby. I need you, my darling. Baby,
I love you, my darling.
ooh, I love you.
Baby, I need you, my darling. Running around my world every morning when I wake up.
Oh, oh, here we go. Summertime. It's a holiday. School is closed. Summertime in a boom boom. Summertime in a Kingston. Summertime in a country. Summertime in a woo.
Time is wasting.
We were meant to love each other. Separation is the root of our problems. Whoa. Cause if I hurt you, then I hurt myself. Hate you, then I hate myself.
If I kill you,
I kill me. When
if I love you,
like I love me.
and if I treat you,
Like I treat me. Ooh, what a world.
this would be when I see
You and me.
your
Where it has no meaning. Cause you continue to do the same thing. Now sorry is a sorry word.
Look at all I've done for you. Come with a
Sweetheart, call me a sweetheart.
And every day you break another piece of my heart.
Ooh, I'm sorry, but you sorry, but sorry's not good enough for me, baby. I'm sorry, but you sorry, but sorry's not.
Dry my tears, lady.
Each time we've tried.
Come with it, baby. Yo, it's too repetitive. Me versus you. Everything competitive. I know someone want for them. Now when I'm my prerogative, you say you want to treat a right girl. Look at what I give. You about my feelings now. You don't have time for me. Loving when you say you want, you don't have any time for me. One of the things me and through the grapevine, you see. When we confront you, I one bad lie, you see.
You say it, but me not believe it. Okay.
You say it,
But me not believe it. You say it,
but you don't mean it. You say it, I'll be talking. Oh, I'm sorry that
you sorry, but sorry's not good enough for me, baby. I'm sorry, but you sorry, but
sorry can't dry my tears, lady.
each time we fight. Okay, then you cry.
Continue to do the same thing. Words
Has no meaning. You say it, but me not mean it. You say it, but me not believe it.
you say it, I'll be talking, I'll blah, 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 I'm walking.
Hey, walking. Okay, guys, it's the end of this fight video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this playlist of mine. Okay. Yeah, as I was saying, I hope you enjoyed this playlist of mine. And if you want me to be doing like a playlist video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Give me a sec. But they ain't easy. No joke. I'm even sweating. So guys, as I was saying, I'm enjoying my ring light, and as well I'm enjoying my playlist, my Caribbean playlist, TBT one. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, share to your friends, share to your family, and follow tunasemanga, and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, comment down below and give me like, see in Caribbean. Now give me the genre you want me. Okay, let me see what hip hop by the way, but maybe R&B is Apple. So if you like this video and you enjoy, comment if you want me to be doing more of this. Yeah, see tuonane siku ingine to another video. Bye. Subscribe.
Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized.